Hi, today I'm going to make Clematis wine, a very easy flower and very pretty. Materials required are crepe paper in white and green, a thin wire, green colored floral tape and some tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the bud. This is 1.75 by 2 centimeters. This is for the petal, which is 2.25 by 2.25 centimeters. This is for the small leaf. This is 2.25 by 1.25 centimeters. The bigger leaf, 3 centimeters by 1.5. And this is for the stamen, which is 1.75 by 1.75. Take a thin wire, so this would be around 8 centimeters long, and take a piece of the tissue paper. I've just cut a small square, apply glue on it, and putting it on the wire, and bring out these sides so that you can make a bud. Like this. Then take the piece for the bud, stretch it a bit, like this, and cut a piece of the green floral tape, and wind it from the base of the bud till the end of the wire. Like so. For the flower, take a smaller piece of the thin wire. So this is around 4.5 centimeters. Now take the piece for the sepal, stretch it, and just cut very thin cuts on it. Like so. So I'll just cut the entire thing. So after you've cut it like this, just curl it gently. Apply glue on the base. And I'll just wind it on this wire. Like this. For the petal, just cut 4 segments out of this, leaving a little at the base side. And give a curved edge on the top. And then on the other side. Like so. Curl it like this. Apply glue. And wind it at the base of the sepal. Just keep it like this. Make sure all the petals are opposite each other, like facing each other, forming a kind of a plus sign. And then just with your thumbnail, just curl it like this. Like this. Again, cut a piece of the green floral tape. And wind it on this flower from the base till the end. Then take a little more piece of the tape. So I'll just make a bunch of all these flowers. Just wind a bit on one flower. Take another one. Put it slightly lower. Maybe add another one. And then I've added a bud. Like this. I've taken a slightly longer piece of the thin wires, around 9 centimeters. So just take some glue and put it on the leaf. So just apply some glue on the leaf and stick this wire on it and let it dry. So I'll just take a little more tape, stretch it, take the bigger leaf and I'll just attach these smaller ones. Now just open it out. Like so. Now to assemble it all, I have taken a slightly longer piece of the thin wire. Some tape, So I'll just attach a bunch. Start with that. Leave about half an inch to 1 inch gap between each. And usually the clematis flowers are always on one side of the branch. Like this, and this is how the bunch would look. So these would look lovely as filler flowers.